just feels like
tonight.
Got a couple boxes.
That could be the thing.
Gotta be careful with this box. This is the important box. Got sponsored by Katech the other day, and they sent out a 103mm throttle body.
Bro, this is stock throttle body.
Yeah, stock.
Fucking whoa! A box in a box. Hey, they give you bolts.
In a moment of truth.
Why is there a square in it? Oh, yeah.
The glory.
Way sexier.
Bro, the blue, that shit looks so nice.
We could just, oh, it says Katech.
Yeah, it's engraved. So the Nick Williams 103 I had was just like a black.
It'll sit like this.
Like that, and the inside was, I think it was gold, or it might have been silver. But this one's blue, and it got Katech in the top.
It's the exact same thing, it's just got their engravings on it.
It just looks better.
No, this one definitely does look better. You can actually tell that it's an aftermarket throttle body. The other one, it just looked kind of stock. This is how you do these. You take this little cap off right here, and you stick a drill in there.
Immediate throttle response.
Fucking moon. We're gonna put this back in the box.
Appreciate the throttle body. Thank you, Katech.
Body stock. Oh, this is the horny package.
I tried to rush it.
Box in a box!
I thought the supercharger was coming today, but
so
you know,
Wyoming was the move.
Wyoming, Ohio,
Where is it today? Iowa?
I don't even know. Boom. The gaskets.
In a box filler. I think we're gonna go to the shop and clean those up before I put them back on.
I need it to the shop.
Never doing it again.
I need a good one.
We need your face up there to the shop. We're just gonna do it right here.
The freshy fresh?
I'll show you the difference. This is what it looked like. All sheeny and fucked up. Now it's all nice.
That is all?
That is all.
To the house. All right, time check. 8:50.
God damn. Why the fuck is it 8:50? It's 8:50? Oh!
I don't want to look.
Don't look.
Yeah, kids, this is why you don't have a race car daily, by the way, if you haven't noticed.
Definitely why you don't depend on a fucking race car. 5 years.
My car has been down from December until...
It was alive in the last week of May, because we just missed Broke East, which was May 20th.
It was down for like 6 months, then it really wasn't 100% till my birthday, which was middle of July, because I remember going the day before my birthday to get the tune fixed. Transmission shit the bed like second week of September. So I really only had the car for like 2.5 months. Don't fucking make that noise, dog. Thought my fucking piston was hanging out of that side or some shit.
Man's going on 2 years now, down from December to fucking March.
I was aware everything was fucked up when we were throwing this bitch together, but I was just too horny.
I know you were.
I just forced it.
You didn't even let me wrap the headers. I said, at least let me wrap them. You're like, I need to be horny. And then you're like, I need to be horny this week. And then Phil was like, not this week, not this week, not this week, not 10 more weeks.
Basically is what
it was like bad times. We had to go up there where there's, we want to be horny. And then we had a little bit of horniness and then we're like, let's do it again. So what I'm doing now is I'm lowering that subframe brace. Hopefully it doesn't whale me in the noggin. It's like a skid plate, but what it does is it goes from your radiator support, which is like the front of your subframe, it hooks on, and it braces your subframe. So it helps the body from fucking... So that's why you can't really get rid of it.
I mean, we could get rid of it.
Oh, we could get rid of it. Yeah. The car will be like...
Take that out, take the sway bars out.
Pull it hard to the right.
My shit would be doing the fucking electric slide going down the highway.
It'd be a G-body shuffle. Can you grab that for me? Shit went right in like cake. This is the easier of the two. Yeah, now I'm angry. Slit my fucking finger wide open. The header moved like a tiny bit. Damn it, I'm bleeding all over this pretty fucking header wrap.
Blood, sweat, and tears.
Oh, that is the worst feeling in the world, bro. Get the shit out.
I don't know if we could put this on YouTube. The carnage. Ooh, you're bleeding out. He's not gonna make it.
It's a little better until I cut this finger doing the other one. Ooh. Remember how I told you it's just gonna look like 4 separate pipes now? It's black, so you can't see the bottom of the header. So when you look in there, it's just gonna look like 4 separate pipes.
At least the stock hood will fit on now without getting rubbed.
That way we don't have to pop the hood until somebody wants to race.
Only person I'm popping the hood for is the yellow G35 guy.
Oh, he's cool.
Him and the other dude, I think his name is like Equimali. He always be commenting on my videos. Hold on.
Damn, you butchered that.
I'm finding his comments just to get his name. I'm sorry. I'm getting your name in here, dog. I'm not doing you like that. #1 comment right there.
I mean, I can put it on right there.
Imagine when I get the red valve covers. Katech. I know y'all got the red valve covers.
I'm not looking forward to doing this side, bro. And it's not because of the header.
And cut to this side being done in 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, that was about to work. Worst thing we can forget.
May or may not have been some sparking going on.
No, it's gonna be a lot quieter in the engine bay too.
And now we wait for the Whipple.
Ooh.